Hey Grizzlies, I'm Jackie Aldaco.
And I'm Esperanza Aldaco.
And this is Challenge of the Week.
My one solution is my queen because she stays strong.
Yeah,
she is always on my corner.
right there when I want her. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say,
Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? And I'm like, no, not really, because, oh my gosh, I know this one, but I don't know it.
do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? And I'm like, no, not really, because... What is this?
Isn't it a cheerleader?
I was like, girl, you got me down. You got me stressed out, because ever since I left the city,
You started wearing less and going out more.
glasses of champagne out on the dance floor.
Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Drake, all I'm playing.
Oh, you used to call me on my cell phone. Dun, dun. Call me on my cell phone. Oh, I got that one. That's Drake.
And that's it for this week's challenge.
Until next time.
Hey Grizzlies, Jaleesis Alcantar here.
And I'm Avon Reyes, and this is Tech Tips
Tech tips
for you.
for you.
Tech tips for you.
So, are you tired of not being able to take a darn screenshot on your Chromebook?
I got the solution for you, my kind sir. You know, you don't want to worry about downloading extensions on your Google Chrome because, you know, they take up time. Your teacher's trying to act all smart, you know, telling you to download Screen or Castify, you know, or Screen something, Screen, and you got a solution for you.
Yeah, we do.
Tech tip number 1. Before we start, I have a word from our sponsors.
Yeah, we do.
Backpack gear for your school necessities. You don't want to worry about your parents buying you nice backpacks or school supplies? Backpack gear. What's that? It's not JanSport? Who cares? Backpack gear. It's reliable.
Alright, so you're gonna open up your Chromebook, yeah, you know, you're gonna sign in like, you know, like you do every day, okay? And then once you sign in, right, you're gonna go to the page, right? Whatever page you want to screenshot, you're gonna go to the top right, you're gonna go to more tools, right? In more tools, you're gonna go to screenshot, and you take the screenshot.
If you don't like that one, we have another for you.
Yeah. Text number 2. Alright, say you're,
Hey, do you want to see the rest of the segment? Go to www.thedailyworld.net.
Hey there, Grizzlies. I'm Ceci.
And I'm Jocelyn, and this is Fun Facts Crustacean Edition. Okay, so I know it's getting really hot and it's getting closer to summer, right? Well, I know many people are going to the beach, and I was curious to know facts about shrimp since they live in the ocean. And I found these. The heart of a shrimp is in its head.
What? Really? I thought it would have been the same as ours.
It's in its head. They also dance. Shrimp dance in order to attract fish. These shrimp are called cleaning shrimp, which venture inside fish mouths to clean the blood-sucking parasites.
Shrimp can be really loud. Pistol shrimp make louder sounds than any other marine animal and even louder than a gunshot and jet engine.
Which is insane because shrimp can be really small.
Exactly, which is why shrimp are really interesting to know about.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yep, well Grizzlies, that was all for Fun Facts Crustacean Edition. Until next time.
Hello Grizzlies, I'm Jose Corona and this is Top 5 Things with Secret Uses You Didn't Know About. Now here is Luis explaining these top 5.
Number 1. Soda can tab. It is used to put a straw in it, which makes drinking soda easier, especially for older people. Number 2. Juice box. We all know how messy kids can be, but we can help prevent that mess a little by popping open the sides on the juice box, which makes it easier to hold. Number 3. The cap of a coffee. The cap of a coffee can be used as a coaster, which is pretty incredible and it comes in handy. Number 4. The long neck of a glass bottle. The long neck is used to have a better grip on your drink, and by doing that, your drink does not get hot as easily. Number 5. The hole in the pen cap. The hole in the cap was designed to be able to breathe through it, in case any child were to swallow it.
Well, there you have it, Grizzlies. These have been the top 5 things with secret uses you didn't know about. Till next time.
Hey Grizzlies, I'm Adriana. And I'm Melissa. And you're watching Grizzography. Today we'll be talking about Chile. Chile is 5,860 miles away from Puerto, California. One famous dish is choripan. Choripan is a type of sandwich with chorizo. It is popular in Chile, Argentina, and Peru. A dessert in Chile is sopapilla. Sopapilla is the kind of fried bread served in several regions with Spanish heritage. Its ingredients contain all-purpose flour, baking powder, vegetable oil, sugar, salt, and butter. A popular clothing is a poncho. Ponchos are worn all around Latin America, especially in Argentina, Chile, and Peru. A place to visit in Chile is the Eastern Islands. It includes nearly 900 monumental statues called mole, created by inhabitants during the 13th and 16th centuries. Another place to visit is a huge national park offering mountain and glacier views and more than 100 bird species, camping and boating. One of the most important celebrations for people in Chile is on December 31st. On New Year's Eve, thousands of people decide to party and have fun. Thanks for watching. This has been this week's Grizzography.
Hey Grizzlies, I'm Enrique and this is top 10 songs of 2018 so far. Number 1 is Drake and his song Nice for What.
Ain't stressing off no lover in the past tense, you already had them.
Number 2 is Drake and his song God's Plan.
Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me.
Number 3 is Ariana Grande and his song No Tears Left to Cry. Number 4 is Babe Rexha and Florida Georgia Line and their song Too Meant to Be.
Ride with me, see where this thing goes.
Number 5 is Post Malone featuring Ty Dolla $ign and their song is Psycho.
Like Michael, can't really trust nobody with all.
Number 6 is J. Cole and his song 8.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up.
Number 7 is Zed, Marine Morris and Gray and their song is The Middle.
Take a seat right over there, sat on the.
Number 8 is J. Cole and his song Kevin's Heart.
She my number 1, I don't need nothing on the side.
Number 9 is Black Boy JB featuring Drake and his song Look Alive.
Get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the up.
Number 10 is J. Cole and his song KOD.
Yes, boy, you know my L's.
That's all for this week, Grizzlies. Don't forget to vote for your favorite song on dailyroar.net.
Hey Grizzlies, I'm Paul.
And I'm John Harrow.
And welcome to this week's DIY.
This week we will be making a can dispenser.
First, what you want to do is cut a rectangular hole on the low side of the can, big enough for the cans to fit. Next, cut through the can, but not enough to hit the hole for the can. Now the can dispenser is ready. So now just add the cans to the dispenser. And now you're done and ready to go.
Well, this has been this week's DIY Grizzlies. See you next time.
What's wrong there, Jaime?
Well, I was looking through my Instagram account and it would seem as though I have not accumulated any followers yet.
Well, Jaime, that's because you're not using social media right.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Family Friendly Show where everything is hecka family friendly and hecka cool. Want to learn about social media? Here's Jaime with the scoop.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Come on.
Hello Grizzlies, do you want to know how to get hecka likes and followers on Instagram? You kids use Instagram nowadays, right? That's a cool youth thing. Anyways, we're here to show you how to do it. Come on, let's go. Shh, we have to capture it. Oh my god.
Oh my god, get it.
No. Run. No. Alright, now you have to add a filter. You have to. Yeah, add those filters. Alright, it's ready to upload, guys. We have to upload it.
Alright, we've got our tags right here and we've got our inspirational quote. Sometimes you just gotta dab on them. Alright, ready? Post it. Guys, please follow our Instagram at GTV fake account. Now we just gotta wait for the likes and followers to start rolling in.
Twitter isn't good,
No,
Jaime.
it's a segment.
Terrible.
It's for.
Hello, Grizzlies. Are you looking to get your garbage opinion validated by strangers online? If you want to be a good Twitterer, we have to look at the best Twitterer of all time. And possibly the greatest musician of all time, Kanye West.
Poop, poop dee scoop dee, scoop dee whoop, whoopie dee scoop.
Kanye West is an absolute genius. I mean, just look at these tweets, man. Look at this. We're starting World Love 1 right now. The opposite of a world war. That is just profound. This man is a free thinker. Let's see what else he said. Naps are awesome. 350,000 likes, boys. It doesn't get more clear than that. This man is the smartest man on earth. You cannot top this. You can try to get close, but this is just the pinnacle of intelligence right here.
Social media is a waste of time. Please go outside, ride a bike, walk your dog, have a picnic, whatever. We cannot be hecka relatable anymore. It hurts. You have to be relatable. No!
Como la licencia? Where's the license? ¿Dónde fecha a casa de banjo? Where you catch a house in bathroom? Bon note? Good night? Buen día, boa tarde. Good morning, good afternoon.
Com licença, excuse me. Bom dia, good morning. Boa tarde, good afternoon. Boa noite, good evening or good night. Onde fica a casa de banho? Where's the bathroom?
Well, that what did we tell it with me?
Hey everyone, I'm Enrique, and this is Grizzlies Got Talent. Here's our people from last week's show.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
So, according to your votes on the Daily Roar, Roman was the winner. Here is Roman Bias singing once again for you.
My name's Roman Vice, and I'm gonna be singing With You by Chris Brown.
I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And my heart's all over the world tonight. Heart's all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're son of hot little figure. Yes, you never. I'm so glad to be yours. You're a glass on your own, man. Ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, sweat holes out. You're my sweetheart. Yeah. I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, man. You need to be what I mean to you. And together, girl, there ain't nothing we won't do. If I got you, I'll need money, I'll need cars, 'cause girl, you're my own. And oh, I'm into you, girl, no one else to do. With every kiss,
That's all for this week, Grizzlies. See you next time.
That's our show for this week, Grizzlies. Don't forget to tweet us on Twitter and follow us on Instagram at DDC Grizz Media. This has been vital information for your everyday life.